So very recently, I saw one movie. Of course, this movie, full movie I saw. What is that movie? Is Vishwanath and Sons. Anyone saw that movie?
Yes, sir, I saw.
Yeah, what a wonderful movie. The first half, forget about second half. The first half, wonderful movie, wonderful. Sometimes you may get goosebumps. Okay, like what happened is what happened is the hero is going to tell to the heroine, you am completely responsible for you. So you are my responsibility. Okay, as long as you are here, you are my complete responsibility. Okay, like then heroine is going to feel a bit special, a bit special. Okay, he's showing that in his activities. Okay, like what the reason? One example, just he went to the hotel for the dinner. Okay, heroine is also, I want to come with you, like so. Actually, the hero is not going to consider heroine as his lover and so on. So just he's almost 20 years age is there. That's why the age gap is there. That's why he won't consider. Okay, so I want to come with you, like heroine is always want to ask, yeah, please come. Okay, you can come, like then while hero just did the buffet kind of thing, he took, I want to eat the same, like please go there and better to bring there, like he's going to convey to the heroine. Heroine is going there to get momos, exactly, chicken momos, chicken momos. Okay, first time I had in my life in Bhubaneswar last time, chicken momos. Like I want to eat chicken momos. Can you give, like she went there and she's waiting to get that. Suddenly, almost around 10, some 7 to 8 members came. Just they are asking, can you give momos, like okay, for all my friends also. Some other person is asking. Then immediately this lady is telling, I'm already in the queue. I'm already in the queue. Okay, please. So stand beside me, like, Arey, I'm the owner of this hotel. I'm the owner of this hotel. This hotel. Like the other person is going to tell. So what? So what? Customer is important. Just stand beside me. This heroine is a bit funny character. Stand beside me, like. Then automatically they got angry, like because that is their hotel, right? Then immediately they are going to throw the heroine out. Hero don't know all these things. Array, this lady went for momos. Why she didn't come? Like she made a phone call. Then she told, I'm outside. This is the happened, like. Then they went, please come with me. Hero, please come with me, like heroine. But then he entered into the hotel and he yelled left and right. The big fighting scene is happening. Just like and then what will happen is, hero is going to get ready the document within just a few minutes. The hotel is, I'm going to buy this hotel. Wow, goosebumps scenario, dosto. Sign on this paper document. Already your father signed. Can you sign on this document so that now onwards this hotel is mine, star hotel. Now onward this hotel is mine, like then immediately. So his father made a phone call. Anna, please lift the phone. Like then he lift, Array, so how you are keeping the issue with such a type of great person, Sanjay Vishwanath, sign on this and please come out of the hotel, like that. Have you observed, right? Just for the sake of heroine, her dignity gone, I mean, her respect gone, like he want to buy the five-star hotel on fly immediately. Ultimate importance, right? Ultimate, dosto,
Yes, sir.
ultimate importance, right? That's what showing genuine interest in the opposite person, telling that you are my responsibility. Okay, like that. Then while going back, then of course he told that just you have to, even you are at higher position also, stand on the ground, see the people. Okay, don't arrogant, like he told, and then he told that paper. Okay, you can, like he went in the car while returning. He is telling to the hero one wonderful word, man. In that issue, my mistake is also there. Some part is my mistake also. Some part is my mistake also. Heroine is going to tell to the hero. Then hero is going to use one wonderful statement. Anyone remember the people who saw that movie?
Yes, sir.
Hero is going to use one wonderful statement to the heroine. Even 100% is your total mistake is yours. At that time also, I will stand beside you. You are my responsibility as long as here. Show genuine interest. Okay, genuine interest. Okay, like then obviously, give importance to the opposite person, man. Even she is wrong, I'm going to stand with you only. 100% your mistake also. Okay, like that. What a goosebumps scenario in that movie. One almost such type of 2 or 3 scenes are there. Wonderful. Have you observed, right? How much important? So show genuine interest in the opposite person. Take the responsibility. Wherever you go, you will get grand welcome. Okay? Remember that.